Superb 23-plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak, finished in agate black metallic with full black leather upholstery, covered 13,989 miles and has just been serviced. Fitted with 2,970 pounds worth of optional extras to include mountaintop roll cover with bed liner, 18-inch alloy wheels, Raptor front grille giving a powerful stance and aggressive exterior presence. Supplied with remaining balance of manufacturer warranty until the 19th of July 2026. This Ranger comes with satellite navigation, auto Android or Apple CarPlay, adaptive cruise control, heated seats and heated steering wheel for those cold days, and climate-controlled air conditioning for those warmer days, front and rear parking sensors, along with rear camera to make those difficult maneuvers easier, advanced four-wheel drive system with terrain management to tackle the toughest of terrains. Why not inquire today? Just click the link or call to make an appointment.